One thing I just did 5 minutes before we started this is you can see my social media stuff here, and every 20 seconds the LinkedIn will disappear to the bottom, and from the bottom up it will the YouTube one will you will see it in a second. It will just switch very smoothly like this. So okay, this is done with the Move plugin also. Everything that's animated or everything that moves around is done with this. I will just take my camera. I've created one here, and I will quickly add a filter here. And what I want to do is, let's imagine we have a camera and we want to do something like screen sharing, for example. First of all, I click the plus, look for move source, and I say this one is big because I'm too lazy to write things. And then I select the source, which is my camera in this case, and I will grab the transform. So when I activate the filter, nothing happens because I didn't change anything. The second filter, I will just copy and paste it here, duplicate. So I only need to change one setting, and this one is camera small, right? What I can do now is I select my camera, and where is the space? And I will make it smaller to the corner, like this. Okay? And again, I selected it, and I say, get transform. Now, if I activate this filter, it will just switch between these two states. Camera is small because I'm screen sharing or whatever. And when I click big, it gets big. When I click small, it gets small. And imagine whatever is in the background. The yellow could be anything. It can be an image, it can be slides, it can be another source or another camera, and so on and so on. And I can also do this with 2, 3, 4, 7 different sources simultaneously. So this is just another use case for your camera, for example. And I could also add a third one. Let's say we have like this, and I call this medium. Spoiler alert, this one is something that's something in the middle, and I make it like maybe like this. And I also, again, just click on get transform. That's all I need to do. And let's click through them. We have small, we have medium, and we have big. And I don't need 3 different scenes with 3 different cameras in different sizes. It's just one filter to one single source. And when I push my Stream Deck button, which is just activate filter selected, it will change between these 3 things. That's a really, really nice thing. Another thing I could do, also doing it with the camera, is imagine you are screen sharing and you know how things work. You always cover the most important button on your screen, right? Your face is always where you cover something. And now I just created something where I can move the camera around. Now it's in the left top corner. But if I want to, I can also with one click send it to the right corner, or send it to the middle, or send it to the middle and make it bigger. Just change the transform like this, put it somewhere, and then it will change. Also, this also applies to, this is also transform. So I could crop it like this. And now say get transform. And when I click through my filters, it's 16 by 9. And on the other side in 16 by 9, or like this. Whatever transformation you apply to your source, doesn't matter which source it is, and you activate the filter, it will then get to this settings with one click. And if you want to, you can also change the duration. So let's make it very obvious. Let's say 5,000 milliseconds and 5,000, which is 5 seconds, so that you can see the effect like this. And now again, now it's really, really smooth. And the second one, well, I didn't change that one, but the third one is really, really smooth. Depends on what you would like to do. And I didn't switch between my scenes at all. I can put them in a certain order. So I can say, just as you demonstrated, after it went to this position, look for the next filter. Or do another filter simultaneously. It could also work. In my case, I already have one, which is pixelation. I will add it here. Let's add it to, let's say to this one. Okay. And I can say once this is done, pixelate the whole thing. So I only have one push of a button, or do it simultaneously. It doesn't matter. So let's pixelation on. And now again for the demo, it's in the top left, top right corner. And it's in the left corner, and I don't know where I put the pixelation. Probably it's here. And you can see both filters are applied simultaneously. It moves to a specific place and also applies the filter with the grayscale and also applies the filter with the pixelation. Very simple. What you could also do, I can add like the advanced masks you showed before. Let's say I want to add a mask here, and no, it doesn't have to be pretty, but just for the demonstration, something like this. And I add some rounded corners. There they are. I don't even have to add the rounded corner, so like this. Now I add another one, which is also move value this time. Move value is in the same plugin, and you get 5 different filters additionally. Now I can create one button that says, look for advanced mask. You can change one setting or multiple settings. I will choose one and then apply the last filter and go to 200. And when I click on it, it does the following with one click. You can see the corners are rounded. And if I create a second filter, and I don't know, just to make it obvious, I say this time it's 500 pixels for the rounded corners, and I can easily switch between normal round corners and extreme round corners. Just in case, so not only applying a mask, but applying the detail and the setting of a mask, or applying the detail of color correction, or whatever you like. As soon as you have the filter already added here, add the filter first, then add the move value, and you can move the value of the filter you just added. It doesn't matter which filter it is. And then again, put a button on your Stream Deck, push it once, and it will add corners, make it round, change the mask itself to a heart or something like this. I don't need to have a second scene or third scene. It's just one scene. I didn't change anything. Everything is applied to the same source, which is very, very convenient in my opinion. So these are just 3 simple things.